Hello students, this is Electro class 10 subject maths. Today we will start our new chapter, that is chapter 14 statistics. Exercise 14.1. Statistics means a branch which deals with the study of the collection, analysis, interpretations, organizations and presentation of data is known as statistics. मीन्स एक ऐसी ब्रांच जो डील्स करती है जिसमें हम एक डेटा को कलेक्ट करते हैं, उसको एनालाइज किया जाएगा, उसको इंटरप्रेट किया जाएगा, मतलब उसको हम रीड आउट करेंगे, उसको एक ऑर्गेनाइज करेंगे और फिर उसको प्रेजेंट करेंगे डेटा को, वो हमारा स्टैटिस्टिक्स कहलाएगा. दिस चैप्टर you had already study in 9th class also, just here we modified it, like clear. Now first is the mean. Now what do you mean by mean? First you have to know about it. It is the sum of the values of all the observation divided by total number of observation is known as the mean. Means जितने भी हमारे पास ऑब्जर्वेशन हैं उनकी वैल्यू का हमने सम करना है और उनको उन्हीं टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन से हमने उनको डिवाइड करना है, वो हमारा मीन आएगा. और हम उसको डिनोट करेंगे एक्स बार से. इसकी जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन होगी बोलने के लिए, लाइक रीड आउट करोगे आप उसको एक्स बार, इसको बार बोला जाता है. क्लियर. नाउ look at one example, like simple example, like you have the data like 3 4 5 6 1 2 and like 9. So there are observations 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. These are the total observations 7 and sum 3 plus 4 7 plus 5 12 plus 6 18 19 21 and 30. That is 30 divided by total observations 7. So when you will solve it, you will get your mean. This is the simple data calculations and you have to find out the mean. But in your sums we have given like frequency also given, like, so this formula you have to remember. X bar is equal to F1 x1 plus F2 x2 plus F3 x3 plus, that is Fn xn divided by F1 plus F2 and Fn. Okay, where x1 x2 are the observation with respective frequency, that is like F1 F2 F2 F1 F2 F3 and Fn and so on. Clear. Now that is there is an example for this example. The marks obtained by 30 students of class 10th of a certain school in a mathematics paper consisting of 100 marks are presented in table below. Find the mean of the marks obtained by the students. Means एक क्लास 10th है, उसमें 30 स्टूडेंट्स दिए हुए हैं एक स्कूल्स के अंदर, और एक मैथ्स का पेपर हुआ 100 मार्क्स का. उसमें जो मार्क्स उन्होंने ऑब्टेन किए हैं वो इस टाइप से थे हमारे पास, लाइक marks obtained like 10 20 36 40 50 56 60 70 72 80 88 92 and 95. there are the number of the students, like means जो 10 मार्क्स ऑब्टेन किए हैं वो सिर्फ एक स्टूडेंट है, 20 का भी 1 स्टूडेंट है, 36 जो मार्क्स ऑब्टेन किए हैं ऐसे 3 स्टूडेंट हैं हमारे, जिन्होंने 40 मार्क्स ऑब्टेन किए हैं ऐसे 4 हैं, एंड लाइक एंड सो ऑन. क्लियर. एंड this is known as the frequency, where which is represented by the like fi, and the marks obtained which is represented by like xi. Now we have to find out the mean marks of obtained by the students. So you have to make like this type of the table, like first, and this is the simple methods now which we have be going on, like marks obtained, like you have to write like this form. These are the marks obtained right here, frequency right here. Clear. Now find out fi xi, means multiplying 10 with 1 it will become like 10. Similarly 20 multiplying 1 it will become 20. 36 multiplying 3 108 and so on. Clear. Now add all these fi xi value, you will get the result like 1 that is this is, you will get the result 1779, and there is a frequency, that is total students is 30. Now for mean marks, like that is mean marks obtained by this formula, that is fi summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi. summation मीन्स ऐड करना उनको. समेशन जहाँ ये समेशन का सिंबल होता है, इसका मीनिंग होता है कि हमें उन वैल्यूज़ को क्या करना है, ऐड करना है. लाइक जब हमने उनको ऐड किया, विल गेट द रिजल्ट लाइक 1779 डिवाइड बाय 30, विल गेट द रिजल्ट 59.3. मीन जो मीन मार्क्स ऑब्टेन्ड हुए उन स्टूडेंट्स के द्वारा वो 59.3 थे. एक तरह से हम उसका एवरेज बोल देते हैं कि एक स्टूडेंट्स ने मार्क्स जो गेट किए हैं वो 59.3 हमारे पास हुआ. क्लियर. नाउ the next part for this, in most of our real life situation, data is usually so large that to make a meaningful study it needs to be condensed as group data. So we need to convert given ungrouped data into group data and devise some method to find it. means कई बार हमारी लाइफ हमारे डेली लाइफ की सिचुएशन में एक ऐसा रोल आता है कि जो डेटा हमारे पास वो इतना लार्ज हो जाता है कि हम उसको उसी फॉर्म के अंदर नहीं राइट नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो हम उसको कंडेंस कर देते हैं, मतलब कि उसको ग्रुप डाटा के अंदर डाल दिया जाता है. अब इस क्वेश्चन में देखिए, यहाँ जो हमें डेटा दे रखा है वो अनग्रुप डाटा है, ये अनग्रुप है, और डाटा सपोज कीजिए और लार्ज हो जाए, तब हम उसको कैसे सोल्व करते हैं, तो उसको हम कंडेंस कर देंगे. मीन्स इस अनग्रुप डेटा को ग्रुप डेटा के अंदर कन्वर्ट कर देंगे. लाइक सपोज 10 to 25, 25 to 40, like 40 to 55. दिस इज़ नोन एज द ग्रुप डेटा. तो उससे वो क्या हो जाएगा, मीनिंगफुल बन जाएगा और उसको कंडेंस कर दिया जाएगा वहाँ पे, और हम उसको ईज़िली फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. इसलिए अनग्रुप डेटा को ग्रुप डेटा के अंदर कन्वर्ट करके हम उसको मीनिंगफुल और सिंपल मेथड से बना सकते हैं उसको हम. सो नाउ अब जो एग्ज़ाम्पल फर्स्ट हमने किया है, हम उसको अब इस फॉर्म के अंदर डाल दिया हमने उसको. लाइक क्लास इंटरवल ले लिया है 10 to 25, 25 to 40, 40 to 45, 55 to 70 एंड सो ऑन. एंड देयर इज़ अ नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स लाइक 2, 3, 7, 6, 6 एंड 6. लाइक जिन स्टूडेंट्स ने मार्क्स ऑब्टेन किया 10 से 25 के बीच में, यू हैव टू रिमेंबर हेयर वन पॉइंट, दैट्स इन दिस इंटरवल 10 इज़ इंक्लूडेड बट 25 इज़ नॉट इंक्लूडेड. मीन्स ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स जिन्होंने मार्क्स 10 किए हैं और 24 तक किए हैं, ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स कितने हमारे पास 2 हैं. सिमिलरली दैट इज़ 25 to 40 मीन्स 25 इज़ इन्वॉल्व बट 40 इज़ नॉट इन्वॉल्व. एंड देर आर सच स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ मैनी, दैट इज़ 3 स्टूडेंट्स एंड सो ऑन. क्लियर. नाउ we have to find out first here class mark. Class mark means upper class limit plus lower class limit. This is the upper value, this is the lower. Like so 10 plus 25 by 2, like you will get the result like 17.5. Similarly for this interval, this interval, this interval, this interval, this interval, when we find class mark it will become, that is the xi. Clear. And this is again our fi. Clear. Now look at this is class interval, number of the students, class mark. Clear. And then again find out fi xi. Similarly fi 2 multiplying with 17.5, 3 multiplying 32.5 and so on. Clear. When you will get this form fi xi, add all these terms, you will get the results 1860. Clear. Find out the mean, that is formula is this is summation of fi xi by summation of fi, you will get the result 62. Clear. So this new methods of the finding the mean is known as the direct methods. Means अगर आपकी स्टेटमेंट पे लिखा हुआ है डायरेक्ट मेथड से निकालिए, तो हमने उसको इस फॉर्म से निकालना होगा. Clear. Now look at the, in previous case we find the our mean 59.3, but here is the 62. We can see that which is accurate methods or the which accurate is result. This is the accurate result, that the 59.3. Clear. Now there is a one more methods by which we have to find out the mean. That method is known as the assume mean method. assume mean method means in this method first we have to already assume our mean, and which is denoted by the a. Clear? Look at the like this again, the same examples which we have to solve here. That is the like class interval 10 to 25, like 25 to 40, and there is the number of the students, class mark. Now here is, that is, we have to find out here this value, like there is a di which is equal to xi minus 47.5, where 47.5 our assume mean, which is denoted by a, that is 47.5, where we have to find out here from the class interval. Look at this, this is 47.5. You have to take this value like mid value of the this class mark, like there is leave about two values, about two lower two values will get the result like 47.5 and 62.5. You can take 62.5 also. Clear? Now find out this di mine is equal to xi minus 47.5. Xi is 17.5, so 17.5 minus 47.5, it will become minus 30. Clear? Similarly, like 32.5 minus 47.5, it will become minus 15, and so on. Clear? You will get the result like this. Now multiplying f di with the fi. In the previous cases we multiplying like f of I with xi. Now multiplying this frequency with this di tables, you will get the result like this form, and when you will add it you will get the result 435. Again the applying the formula, this is the formula, like this is formula. Clear? That is x bar is equal to a plus summation of fi di summation of fi. Put the value of a and this data, you will get the result x means, like this is again, that is 47.5 plus 43.5 by 30, sorry 435 by 30, you will get the result 47.5 plus 14.5 is equal to 62. Clear? This is our mean marks obtained by the students, that is 62, and this method is known as the assume mean method. Clear? It means you can find out the mean methods by two ways, like that is the direct method. One is the direct method and the second is the assume method, and there is a one more methods, like that the step deviation methods, but this method is not in our syllabus now. But you have to solve all the sums of exercise 14.1 by the using direct method and the assume methods. Clear? Now today you have to solve the sum 1, 2, 3 of exercise 14.1 in fair notebook. Clear? All these three sums like you have to solve in your fair notebook. Clear? Thank you and have a nice day to all of you.